Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Tesla traffic light and stop sign control, guys. So first up, we have to make sure that the feature is enabled, right? So what you need to do is head over to controls right here, guys, on your Tesla touchscreen, and make sure you are parked when you do this because most settings do not actually work when you are not parked. So make sure you park, and then you want to head over to controls here, guys, and then you want to click on autopilot, and then you want to find this option right here that says traffic light and stop sign control. Just toggle it on, and this feature will allow your Tesla to recognize and respond to traffic lights and stop signs while driving, guys. And then, guys, what you need to do is actually activate autopilot. So once you're on the road and ready to go, you want to engage traffic aware cruise control, guys. You want to engage this on. You want to turn this on by pulling it down on the gear stalk twice, okay? Your Tesla will now begin to monitor traffic lights and stop signs ahead. So, as you actually approach an intersection, what you need to do is keep an eye on the touchscreen, guys, okay? Your Tesla will display traffic lights and stop signs in real time. So, when a red light or stop sign is detected, your vehicle will slow down and come to a complete stop automatically, guys. Then, when the light turns green or it's actually safe to go, what you want to do is just press on the accelerator and your Tesla will continue moving forward. And guys, if there's a longer pause, make sure to check the surroundings before actually proceeding. Now remember guys, you can always take control, and if you prefer to stop or start manually, simply press the brake pedal or accelerator anytime. And that's it guys, you're now ready to navigate traffic lights and stop signs with ease in your Tesla. And if you want to upgrade your ride even further guys, check the link in the description and make sure you subscribe. And see you.